Hello, everybody. So we understand from the last example that the axis of symmetry is a vertical line that passes through the middle of a parabola, which is also known as the vertex. These are two examples of parabolas. Here we have a parabola that is opening up, which means the vertex is the bottom, which you would say it is the minimum value. It's the lowest point on that parabola. Notice here this vertical line, that's your axis of symmetry, sort of acts as a mirror. You see how these two sides reflect upon each other. That's why I say it acts like a mirror. Over here is another example where the parabola opens down, which means the highest point of this parabola is the vertex. So what do these two have in common? The axis of symmetry passes through the middle of the vertex, which means the x value, of the quadratic equation is the axis of symmetry, which is why we're going to use this formula, opposite b over 2a, to find the vertex. So we're going to do two simple things. All right, first let me give you an example of an equation in which we want to find the vertex. So let's find the vertex of 2x squared plus 8x plus 10. All right, so right off the bat, you should be able to look at this and figure out if it opens up or if it opens down, just by looking at the leading coefficient. Here, this positive 2 tells me that the vertex happens to be a minimum value, something that you can think about. So if this number were negative, it's a hint that you would have a situation like this where it opens down. To find the vertex, first we need to find the axis of symmetry by using this formula. So here we have opposite 8 over 2 times 2. And then evaluating it, we have negative 8 divided by 4, which is negative 2. So that means we understand that the axis of symmetry, is negative 2. That's that dashed line that's right here. Now, to complete finding the vertex, understand that this is the x value of the vertex. We need to find the corresponding y value. How we find that is simply plug this into this equation where you see x. So we have 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 10. Now, you go to your calculator and you evaluate it. So let's see what we have. We have 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 10. Make sure when you substitute into the calculator, you're very careful. Notice these parentheses, especially because you're dealing with negatives. All right, so now that gives me 2. So the vertex is the ordered pair, negative 2, 2. And that is how you find the vertex.